Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to install the VxManager software on Windows 7 using the DVD that came with the diagnostic tool. Make sure the diagnostic tool is not plugged in to the laptop. I will tell you when you need to plug the diagnostic tool in. So you insert the DVD into the drive. You can go into the Start menu on Windows 7, then Computer, and your DVD will appear in the devices here. All you would need to do, don't double click on the DVD, just right click on the DVD and you would just click open. That's all you'd need to do, and that will reveal a number of files. So there'll be various VEDA files, but you're only interested in one file, and that's the VxManager file. So from here you would just double click on the VxManager file, accept any permissions, accept the agreement, click next. Another reminder to make sure the device is not plugged into the laptop. Then click next, and then on this page you're only interested in number 1, pass through. Make sure that that has a tick next to it, then you click next. Should take around about 30 seconds or so, but you'll get progress bars just here whilst it installs the driver software and everything that it needs for the VxManager software. When it says install complete, you then click close, remove the ticks from here, and then just click finish. Then you come out of My Computer, and that's everything done with the DVD. Now you plug in the VxManager into the laptop. So you put the USB into the laptop and the micro USB into the diagnostic tool, and it will install the drivers and tell you that your device is ready to use. There's a few more steps to be done though, so this is very important. So we're going to go now into VxManager. We're going to click yes. The diagnostic tool will beep several times, don't worry about that at all. On this page go to Configure, then you go to Connection Type, click on it and change it to USB. You then come down and click Save. It will warn you that VxManager is going to close down, that's okay. Then you go into VxManager again, click Yes. And then on this page we're going to go to Diagnostic. You'll then see in the My Apps section just here, Pass Through and Volvo VEDA. You want to go to Pass Through and you want to click Install. It will give you progress and then it will tell you that that's complete. Very carefully click the X to come out of that. Then you go to Volvo VEDA and you click Install. Come away from it. It will give you the progress and it will say the install is complete. Click X. I would then click X to come out of VxManager, and then you go back into VxManager. And that's it, that's the tool set up. I would then leave VxManager running in the background if you're going to plug it into the car. Just click the minus key there so it's still showing in your taskbar there. You can then go into VEDA, type in the password, which is always admin. You would then go to the vehicle profile screen and in the communication tool section here, make sure it says VxDiag. If it doesn't say it there, just click on this little arrow and just select VxDiag. And you are now ready to read the car. So you would then just plug the diagnostic tool into the car and then click Read Vehicle. When your vehicle details have appeared here, you would then just make sure you click the partner group and make sure it says Europe. And you can then manually include the steering, right hand drive, the body style if you want to, click OK, and you're ready to go with the diagnostics. And that's everything. Any problems though, anything that doesn't quite go to plan, then just let me know and I can help you out. So that's it. Thanks very much, and good luck with everything.